Hello, good morning students. Yesterday we were studying about to be and to have verbs. Which verbs are used in simple present tense and which verbs are used in simple past tense. To be and to have. When it is in simple present tense, then I am, okay, I am, we are, you are, he is, she is, it is, they are. And then in past tense, what we are using? For example, to have verbs when we use I have, we have, you have, he has, she has, it has, they have. Okay. And next then it is when we speak about past tense, simple past tense. Then I was, okay, I was, you were, he was, she was, it was, they were. Again, when we speak about past tense, to have, then I had, we had. Now had will be everywhere, okay. I had, we had, you had, he had, she had, it had, they had. Everywhere had will come. It will not change. So we were talking about the verbs, and now here downside it is told that there are some sentences given, 10 sentences are given, and in this 10 sentences we have to use to be verbs and to have verbs wherever it is required. जिथे आपल्याला to be verbs टाकायचे तिथे to be verbs टाकायचे, and जिथे to have verbs टाकायचे तिथे to have verbs टाकायचे. Okay. Now in to be verbs what is there? Am, is, are, was, were, being, been. And to have, has, had. Understood these three? So here it is. Now first one, use to be and to have verbs in the following sentences. Now first one, I dash a strong boy. So what will come for I? I am a strong boy. How I am? I am a strong boy. Second sentence which is given here is, we dash to go for a movie yesterday. So we dash to go for a movie yesterday. So which sentence will come? It is past tense. Then it will come when we is there, then we had to go for a movie yesterday. Had will come over there. Third sentence is given, she dash taken a good decision. So what will come? It is in past tense. Then she dash taken good decision a good decision. She had taken a good decision. Okay. Fourth one, look there, he dashed the ball. Fourth one is sentence is what? Look there, he dashed the ball. What will be answer here? He has the ball. Look there, he has the ball. Fifth one, Rajiv, Achal and Vidhi dash been best friends, have been. So fifth answer will be have. I will just write down answer. Sorry. So fifth answer is what? Have. Rajiv, Achal and Vidhi have been best friends. Sixth one, you dash selected to play the basketball tournament last year. You had selected to play. You had will come out here? No. You are selected. You are selected to play the basketball tournament last year. No, you were. When it is in past tense, that time you have to write down you were. W-E-R-E. You were selected to play the basketball tournament last year. Seventh one, it dash a sunny day. So what will become, what will be answer over here? It was a sunny day. So seventh answer will be what? It was a sunny day. Eighth one. The students dash told to behave themselves by their teacher. The students are told to behave themselves by their teachers. So what will be eighth answer? Students are told. Ninth one. It dash been 8 years since I met this man. It had been 8 years since I met this man. And 10th one, he dash at the airport when the Prime Minister arrived. He was at the airport. So 10th answer is was. He was at the airport when the Prime Minister arrived. In this way we have completed 10 sentences, and after completing these 10 sentences we have completed our lesson to be and to have. Tomorrow we will study the verb. What is there in this verb? Simple present tense. Now simple present tense are which words? Plays, then go, come, look, revolves, takes, want, then attends, then drives. Such words are coming in simple present tense. Okay, that we will study in detail in tomorrow's period, and we will try to complete that lesson tomorrow itself. Okay, the verb simple present tense. I will give you so many examples of simple present tense so that you will understand. Okay, please complete these 10 sentences in your English grammar book and study well. Okay, where to use to be verbs and where to use to have verbs, that you should know well, properly you should able to write them. Okay, in this way we have completed this lesson. Tomorrow we will start with simple present tense. Okay, thank you.